Once again, welcome guys to the Karan Sharma Show. Today in this podcast session, I will be talking about my new series that is upcoming that will be handled over on Amazon.com that you can buy from Amazon.com as well as on NotionPress.com. I am writing this in a series of books that is naming Some Ways to Do More. In this series, I'll be talking about my new books excerpts that talks about how to manage to make money in a very short or a tender age or in an old age by applying some easy and small steps that anyone of you or any of individual can use and make money or makes his status or his respect in the society by taking some various or small steps. So let's get started. Searching all over search engines, talking to various successful entrepreneurs, reading various books by greatest authors, and analyzing various market analysis, advice about how to make money, the most frequent search question over my feed, I came across some activities from various websites which I have shortlisted for you, so that each and every one of you taking advantage of your hobby or some skill you have could achieve and earn both money and respect in the society. So the ways which I tried and tested that actually enables any high school student or an 80-year-old man to earn money are as it follows. Number 1, writing articles. Writing a piece of literature or any favorite or on any favorite or on a topic on which you have a great knowledge could be the best option to frame one and upload on various blog spots or article submitting platforms with the course of time becoming reader friendly and common among the readers. One could easily earn money or could get monetized for its articles and advices to various magazine companies or publishing platforms. To start with, one must use the platform of Medium. That's my personal choice that I say you should choose the Medium app because it is a leading platform for submitting short articles and blogs for free. I emphasize on using the platform which charge no money or are beginners friendly so that individuals could have experience and viewership to the public domain writing without fetching large sums of money and could get actual report and analysis about what people like and demand for. Other platforms which one could use which could be used by the beginners for making money with some efforts are wordpress.com, and the second one is using Wix, that is Wix free content services to make your own website and providing your number of articles that I have also used it personally and found effective for providing your content at free of cost. Number third is onmogul.com, a best website I could say on which one could get its article published in real time of quick and immediately with charging not even a single penny. After that it comes that reddit.com, and finally you can upload it on social media accounts such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. To get a larger audience. After getting your articles and content on these platforms and assessing the statistics about the readership among people, one could go to make money through accepting their specific policies or fulfilling criteria of their monetizing policies. And number 2 comes through the medium of podcast, through using the medium and the platform of podcasting, which as per me is the greatest and the easiest way to increase your audience and fan base, eventually leading to pay for the exotic content from you for the podcasting that you're making, the exotic content you're providing to the audience. You can get paid from it as well for uploading. So now it's I'm providing you the chronology that the steps had to be taken off in the mind or remembered up for podcasting or publishing your audio, that your audio note that you have made. It is for uploading an episode of podcast by beginners. I used to assess about what to provide, what people like and what should I talk upon. about how to speak, what are the various platforms, how can I upload on various prestigious platforms for free, and etc. etc. So I searched and think about all these steps and telling you about in a very detailed and a short and crisp methodology. So for all those who want to make this as their hobby or earn a couple of bucks through uploading an episode in their free time, this place of my podcast holds sheer importance. First of all, you have to look over what people love the most, that what's the time that at the time of which you are targeting your podcast, is it really loved or liked by the audience in this time, in this real time? What genre of podcasts are loved by the majority of the population? You have to remember this. Then secondly, you after selecting your choice of topic and framing its script about what to say at without being stammered or fumbled up, I would say don't be stammered or fumbled up. Speak it confidently and speak your content with confidence in your voice recorder or your smartphones. Talk with it that you are talking like you're to the mother or father or to your friends. So be nice and stick to the point. After that, remember that your content should be original. It's the foremost thing that I would say, that it should not be an excerpt from any podcast material or any other creative content. Being original and accepting what one has crafted till time is of the utmost importance to creator. You have to be original and yourself. After that, now comes the integral part of a journey to labeled as a podcaster. As now you have to choose your choice of hosting platform, which will provide you an RSS feed, which will be the address to provide your content to various platforms. A hosting platform, I would say, first of all, you have to get the knowledge about what is a hosting platform of a podcasting is. A hosting platform is must to have an RSS feed for distributing it various prestigious platforms. That is, if you provide your podcast to them, it will generate an RSS feed which will be distributed to various platforms. By distributing to various platforms, they will analyze and review what the podcast is about and what's the genre of it, what's the name, is there any explicit content in between, and after that, assessing all these up, they will provide and publish to their prestigious platform. So in saying so you have to search of a hosting agency that provides you with the best of services, serve your purpose of choosing it, and helps in distributing your content to millions of people through various platforms. Here are some of I'm providing you some hosting agencies name that are better for the beginners to make their reach and lay their foundation stone for earning. So number one is Spreaker.com. My best of recommendation to it, I have used it personally and use it till now. Even its free distribution and upload facilities help make podcasting little easier. One can upload its podcast through making an account to Spreaker, to Google Podcast, Stitcher, iTunes Store, YouTube channel, Podchaser, Spotify, and many more. So you can only use the Spreaker.com and upload your audio or the audio note you have that you are providing this podcast, and then can publish to Spreaker.com. And after from the Spreaker, you can choose where to distribute. That are the Google Podcast. You can use Stitcher.com, iTunes Store, YouTube channel, Podchaser, Spotify, and many more. You can upload it to various contents, to various platforms, I would say. The step of uploading podcast content to the prestigious platforms of iTunes Store and Apple Podcast, one has to have an Apple ID. There, it is the prerequisite to uploading your podcast to the Apple ID. One has to have an Apple ID before it, through which one could get the podcast connect and make your episodes an RSS feed uploaded to it. For this, I wanted to provide my personal opinion or advice. Reviewing your podcast and uploading it may take, I've been saying it as my advice, that reviewing your podcast and uploading it may take a time, as platforms like Spotify and iTunes take time to review and publish on their app. So be patient and do not mail them repeatedly for notification regarding your publishment of podcast episode. So don't make them frustrated or some anguished about it, that you're typing a mail again and again. For this, I would say use anchor.com and soundcloud.com, because it also serves the motive of a beginner to express its content. But sometimes the SoundCloud or Anchor ask for some monetization. So I would say Spreaker is the best platform that will provide you for free. Number three, that is publishing a paperback or an ebook. Through using the skills of your word smartness and passion of writing, one can make his or her content framed it as a book. Nowadays, writing book and uploading it to various platforms has become more publicly viable, I would say. Through using self-publishing methodology or a method that is available at various websites on the internet, one can design and manage to write a book and make it to sale in just fractions of seconds. There are various tools and a number of ready templates that they provide that could be used by the beginners to make profits by selling into any part of the world. So here are some publishing authorities or companies which charge no money and help in providing the bestest of tools through which one can get enormous support through directly selling via their online stores. So first of all, that I use, and I have published the excerpt that I'm saying, this book that I'm telling you about and podcast about it. You can read this book that I'm telling you up. I have published it on Notion Press only. Its name is How to Get on Velvet. It is also available at Amazon's store.com as well as on Notion Press. So I was telling about Notion Press. NotionPress.com is the best example of providing free support and helping beginners get recognition and platforms by publishing their book. The revenue or the royalty policies are favorable for the young writers, which is its plus point. After that, I go to Kindle Direct Publishing, and the best option to get your book as a hardcover, paperback, or ebook to get uploaded and can be made publicly viable. It charges no fee. After that, third one is Apple Books or iBooks. By writing your books on Apple's app named as Pages and then uploading the Apple Book, one can publish his or her book with no cost and maximum profit. So it is profitable, or it is a plus point to the beginners only. Number fourth is Google Books. You can use the Google Books idea. It has been the same as Apple Books. And after that is draft2digital.com. Draft2digital, although it is free, but it charges 10% of the retail of the book as a fee. So it could also be used as a platform for publishing. So you have to give the fee that is deduced after your sale and not before the sale to use this medium as well. So you could also opt for the draft2digital.com. After this, other than these, they are related to selling the writing content. I also found these methods to earn more, which are different from traditional methods, but are quite well and could be thinked of. That is, that you could sell your notes that you are write about the study material. That you can sell your old books on, I would say, bookscounter.app.com. And after number the fourth, I would say it is through selling photographs shot by you. Through using your photography skills, you can share your content to stock photographs. Agencies like Shutterstock, iStock, and Adobe, and other similar companies which provide most work on per download basis, where you get paid a percentage every time someone downloads your picture. That's what all I could provide in this episode of mine. Thanks a lot for listening it, providing a valuable time to my audio note, and please don't forget to subscribe on iTunes, Spotify, as well as on YouTube, and follow me on Spotify and provide your valuable suggestions at karankumbria222@gmail.com. Thanks a lot, guys. Buy my new book that is available on Amazon and Notion Press, naming How to Get on Velvet. The new book series is also yet to come and will come in a very short period of time. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.